All right, guys, we are out here ahead of a big rainstorm fixing to come. We got our Indigo Series blueberry tomatoes. They've just about played out. We've kept them harvested up to the top part up here. We're gonna probably pick them today, maybe pick them in one more time, and then we're gonna pull this bed up, clean it up, and get them out of here. Guys, these things, I don't know how many 100 tomatoes we have actually harvested off of here. I mean, it's been in the hundreds. Cause there's probably 50 or 60 here right now. We just come through here and get these things off of here. They make the best salad little tomatoes. Plus, Miss Wanda's been actually been canning some of them. So we've had so many that we can't keep up with eating them. We're gonna try to get these all harvested off of here and before that rainstorm gets here anyway. All right, guys, look at this nice little bucket of blueberry cherry tomatoes. That is some kind of good eating there now. We're gonna move over. I'm gonna show you our other bed we got going on here. We just built this one. This is our new bed for our multiplying onions here. This bed has taken off and is doing awesome. So we're looking forward to having our multiplying onions all in one location where we can really take care of them. All right, guys, we're in here now. Got our Cherokee Tan Pumpkins growing all up in here. We're gonna ease down through here. I actually see some, look at this. Cherokee Purple Tomato. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one Cherokee Tan here because it's getting pretty close. And you wanna make sure you cut that stem as long as you can. That determines the life of this pumpkin. Them jokers can hide so well. That one ain't quite ready. That one's on the other side. Oh, here's one right here. If I can get down in here.
So Miss Wanda can grow pumpkins in the high tunnel.
Yeah, these are the Cherokee Tans too.
And they're pretty. And we've already got one inside.
Yeah, isn't that pretty? All right, this one's going to be a little bit of a challenge.
Look right here. It's getting there.
It's getting there, I saw it. This one I got to try to figure out how to get up in here. It's about to.
It's turning good.
This done turns nice. Yeah.
And then there's one down there and one there.
Oh, look at this one. Hold that. Nothing right here.
I mean, these are turning really well. Got another one up there that's starting.
Yeah. Oh, I see a bug. That's why every time we come in here, if we see a bug, we try to get him. I don't think there's any more that's actually ready. This right here will actually make a lot of pumpkin stuff.
We've still got some blooming. The leaves are still crazy. And there's still some green ones. Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days, and today we're going to be doing something with the Cherokee Tan Pumpkins. Danny helped me. We picked four. We picked 4 yesterday in my high tunnel, and I already had one that was ready, and I had picked it about a week ago. And so I'm going to show you what I did with it. These are the 4 that I had Danny help me with yesterday. We have about 4 or 5 more in the high tunnel that's getting ready, but these were already turning real well. These we will let continue to turn, and as long as you leave them like this and they have the long stems on them, they should last. We've had some last up to a year. Now I cut this in half and took the seeds out and cut it in pieces and turned it upside down like this and covered it in water and boiled it about 10 minutes. This is the seeds from one Cherokee Tan pumpkin. Danny will take these and dry them out, and they will be ready to grow more pumpkins. Now with these, what I'm doing is I'm peeling the fleshy part off. Once I've boiled it about 10-15 minutes, it peels real easily, and then I'm putting it in pieces over in the Ninja. Okay, these peel really easily. Your knife will just run under it when it's been cooked for just a minute, 10-15 minutes. You can run your knife under there. It sure beats trying to peel them when they're really hard. And you just run it under and take it off. And just cut it into what I'd call bite-sized chunks. Throw it in the Ninja. Now there's not a lot of flesh on a Cherokee Tan pumpkin, but it will make enough for 1 to 2 meals when we get through adding all the goodie to it. Here we have our Cherokee Tan pumpkin. Isn't that beautiful looking? In the Ninja. We're going to be adding about 1/3 of a cup of almond milk. And that's just so that it'll blend well. We're going to be adding about 1/8 maybe of a teaspoon of salt, which is already added to my sugar here. And we're adding baking powder. Now I've got the baking powder here already. And I've added the salt on top of the sugar. And the sugar is about, this is 1/4 cup. So I'm just going to kind of sprinkle it around. And that's it except for the eggs. That's all we're adding to it. I'm going to put 2 eggs in next. I have this Pampered Chef oven dish that's just the right size for 1 or 2 people. And you can add a touch of flour, like maybe 1 tablespoon of flour or 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to this. I didn't add anything to it. We're going to see how it does without adding anything. Just simply a very quick, simple recipe. We're putting it in the toaster oven for about 40 minutes at 375. Now that looks awesome. We're going to get Danny to try it in a few minutes and see what he thinks of our Cherokee Tan pudding.
Cherokee Tan?
That's it.
Is it hot?
It's warm. Sweet enough, not sweet enough.
Oh, it's plenty sweet. I love the Cherokee Tan taste.
What's the texture like?
Very, very soft. Kind of like a pudding. It's really soft. I mean, the spoon cuts it so easy. See how it's like fluffy? It's moist like a cake.
But it has no flour or anything in it. So you think that's a plus for Cherokee Tans?
For the Cherokee Tan, this is definitely it. I can't really taste anything other than the Cherokee Tan.
That's because all that's in it is a touch of sugar, salt, baking powder, and eggs, and a touch of milk. And our daily rain is here.
Oh, our daily thunderstorm, yeah. This is really good. I mean, did you mix the eggs in with it, or did you just...
I put it in the Ninja. It all went in the Ninja.
Okay, because it's really good.
You like it? That's a plus for our Cherokee Tans.
To be honest with you, I could eat the whole thing sitting right here. And I know I probably shouldn't, but it's going to be hard.
To be honest with you, he's working on it.
I mean, it's really, really nice. I just love the fact when I look at it, it just looks like a cake.
It really does.
I mean, when you look at it, now the bottom against the glass down there, you know, looks like egg down there. But the rest of it looks just like you're eating a yellow cake.
Gives you something else to munch on.
Mm-hmm.
We got to grow more.
Just got to have a lot more of them, don't we?
We do. We got plenty of seeds over there.
Yep. It's good.